Night at Lego Museum.
Tonight, I will steal all of Pharaoh's precious jewels. Let's start stealing gems. Oh, this gem is gorgeous. I have stolen many precious gems. Time to leave the museum.
Stop!
The scenery here is beautiful. Huh? Oh my god, what is that? Oh no, the fountain is broken.
You was arrested.
Hey, policeman, who'll repair this fountain?
I have an idea.
How to build the Lego water pump.
How do you see my idea?
Oh my god. Not only did I fail to steal things, but I also had to repair the fountain.
How to build the Lego automatic fountain.
This new fountain is so cool.
I have redeemed myself for this mistake.
It's time for us to go.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, child. I promise I won't do bad things again.